In this video, we will be covering section E, which is analytics and application. So the first question is, no single ML algorithm perform best on all problems, refers to the which theorem? So we know that it is no free lunch theorem. That is, a single ML algorithm is never better on all situation on all performance, right? Second is the method that uses smaller training subsets repeatedly to estimate test error is called dash. We know that it is cross validation as there are many cross validation models like K-fold, leave one out, CV, etc. Then we have in K nearest neighbors, runtime grows with big of n dash, where n is number of point and d is dimension. So we know that for finding nearest neighbor distance in n for n number of observation in d dimension, the time complexity will be big of n d, n into d. The curse of dimensionality affect algorithm that depend on dash matrix. So answer would be distance. Why? Because in KNN, our dist as number of dimension increases, the distance matrix is not considered good, or it leads to curse of dimensionality, right? Then we have PCA transform correlated features into dash component. So we know that it is principal component which maximizes the highest data variance, right? Principal component. The process of mapping words to numerical vectors in NLP is known as word embeddings. And word embeddings or document vectors, we represent word as a vector, right? In a neural network, removing random neurons during training is called, we know that a regularization technique called drop-off, which is a regularization technique in which we randomly disable the neuron to check if the cause function is working fine or not, right? Then we have Spark uses dash RDDs or fault tolerant distributed data storage. That is resilient distributed data set. Spark uses it in big data for parallel processing paradigm. Resilient distributed data sets. In Hadoop, YARN stand for yet another resource negotiator. The full form of this. Yet another negotiator. Right. This is the answer of section E. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you.